Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to turn dark mode on your X app. Open your X app, then tap on your profile icon or person icon. You can see the option of over here a sun or light. Tap on it. There you can see the option of dark mode off and on, and there you have dark theme, dim and light out. Turn on your dark mode. Then they give you the option of dim. Dim looks like this. I'll use light out. There you go. You have successfully turned on the dark mode. Another way is go to setting and privacy. There you can see the option of accessibility, display and language. Tap on it, display. Then there you can see the option of display dark mode. It's on. You can also turn it on again. And then dark theme, dim theme, again same option will arrive over here. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.